Okay, so different ways to insert pictures into your project that you're doing. So you could be using slideshows, presentation, or Google Docs. Okay, now so different ways to do it. I have four different ways to do it here. Okay, and I've kind of listed them in order of what would be my preference. Okay, what might get you the best marks in an exam situation. Um, yeah, because you get the best marks. You get marks for IT skills, and you need to show them off. All right. So taking a photo of yourself, downloading and uploading is probably the hardest and probably worth the most amount of IT marks. So I'm using the variable resistor electronics here as an example here of a topic. Okay, so variable resistor. Now I've taken a picture with my phone. There it is there. Okay. I want to get that into my documents. Okay. So it is now on my Google Photos. It's in Google Photos here. All right. Sometimes you mightn't be able to use Google Photos, and what you could do is take your photo and email it to yourself. Okay. You want to get it into the same account, the school account, that you're working on. That is the trick. Okay. So I'm going to download it. So I'm downloading it onto the device that I'm using. Okay. As you can see, I was practicing there. All right. What was this there? I downloaded it onto the desktop. All right. Or probably into your downloads. And then what you want to do is get it into the folder you're working on. Okay. So I've created a folder. All right. See my drive. Here's my folders. I'm doing a project on a variable resistor. Okay. Here is my document that I'm working on. And I want to get my photo that I took in there like that. And if you have more photos, this is where you put them. Or if you have videos or you want anything that you're researching can go in here into this folder. Keep it nice and neat and organized. Okay, so I've downloaded it and I've uploaded it back onto my drive here. Okay, the variable resistor, upload it. Okay, so in here now, I'm going to go and insert image from the drive. Okay, here's what I was working on recently. There's my drive. All right, I'll find it in there too. It'll be in that folder. Here's the recent stuff I was doing. So I'm just going to click it, insert it. Yeah, and it brings it in. It's a photo. It's going to be a large file. Yeah, it's going to be a large file, but it shows that you've gone and done that bit of extra work by going and taking your own photo. No copyright issues either. Okay, which is a great bonus. Now, what I do when I bring in my photos, I always make them a wrap text. Okay, I like that one. I'm used to it. And there it is. Once you've given it an edit, you can now drag it and move it around wherever you like. Okay, so there is a photo downloaded and uploaded, and a file management to keep everything in the same folder. Now, you can also create your own picture, a JPEG, from a snip, save it, and yes, save it. This is very good if you're using software programs. So you might have a picture done in 3D CAD and you want to get it in. Okay, but we are using the snipping tool now as an example. So you've searched variable resistor. You like this picture. Okay, you want to get it in there. Okay, so we're going to go snipping tool, a new snip. All right, so I'm going to create a new snip now. And there we go. Like that. Then go edit, copy, go back to your document and go edit and paste. Wrap text, resize. There we go. Because we wrap text, our text is here. Just use your enter button to space it down. There we go. Now there's a photo of a variable resistor, my own, that I've used in the project. And here's one that kind of looks like it's too good. So it looks like it's off the internet. And I think it's okay if you can't take the photo. But it looks professionally done. The photo, it looks like it's off a website. And yeah, I just think it's not as good as taking your own photo and putting it in. Anyway, that's my opinion. Also, if you are doing that, when you are snipping, make sure you try to snip out any information as well around the picture and look for a good picture. Okay, now another option would be to do a screenshot, copy paste. So yeah, so you could just end up screenshotting the whole thing. All right. So to do that, you just go and print screen, press print screen on your keypad, like that. That copies the whole screen, and then just go paste. See, the whole screen is in there now. It's another picture. Okay, bring that down. There you go. Variable resistor. Not a great way to do it. An examiner doesn't want to see that you didn't filter out any of these other images, and it's probably the laziest way to do all of these here. Yeah, so not a great way to do it, but it's another way. You could also just download the picture from the internet and then insert the file as well. So, okay, so there's the picture. You like this one, you searched it, and you're going to save the picture as, and we'll save it onto wherever you like, okay? So I'll just save it onto the desktop for now. There we go. And then we need to, oh yeah, drag it from our desktop. There it is there. I'm going to drag it down, wait for Chrome to open up. There it is there, and see, just let it go where you want it. There it is again.